everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Speaker. I'm Maryam, and today, oh yeah, I'm so excited, seriously, because we are doing something super helpful for your English.
Absolutely. And hello, everyone. I'm Nasir. We're really happy you're here. Today, we're going to talk about your entire day. Yes, how to describe your day in slow, natural, human English.
So, um, let me start. My day begins slowly, like very slowly. I wake up around 6:30 or 7, sometimes earlier, sometimes later, depending on how sleepy I am.
Yeah, Mariam wakes up like a soft cat, stretching, moving slowly, like, don't talk to me yet.
Hey, that's true, but still. But yeah, my morning starts with a big stretch. Then I sit on my bed and say, okay, new day. Let's try our best.
My morning is different. I wake up and think, oh no, why is the alarm so loud?
Seriously, every day this guy complains about the alarm.
Yes, absolutely, because alarms are evil. Anyway, after that, I sit up and drink water. It helps me wake up.
That's a good habit. And then I usually go to brush my teeth, wash my face, and look in the mirror like, Miriam, are you alive today?
Oh, yeah, same. And then I prepare tea or sometimes coffee, and I sit quietly, like a peaceful old man thinking about life.
Yes, a wise old man moment. My breakfast is simple, maybe eggs, bread, or oats. Sometimes just tea if I'm lazy.
And during breakfast, we often check our messages, plan the day, think about what we need to do.
Yes, morning is soft, calm, and honestly, one of my favorite parts of the day.
So, after breakfast, I start getting ready. I choose my clothes, prepare my bag, check my schedule, all that stuff.
I take my time. I like to feel relaxed while getting ready. Sometimes I play music, soft, slow music. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts. It helps my mind wake up.
Oh, yeah. I also listen to motivational talks sometimes. And sometimes I listen to nothing, just silence. Silence is also a morning friend.
Absolutely. And while getting ready, we both try to think in English like, okay, what do I need today? What's my plan? What's my first task?
Thinking in English early helps you switch your brain.
I love planning. I write in my diary today's goals, today's tasks, something positive.
And I plan at my phone. I make small lists like call someone, finish work, take break, drink water, don't panic.
Yes, Nasir always writes funny reminders, but planning is important.
Seriously, even if you don't follow everything perfectly, at least you know your direction.
So after planning, my work begins. Emails, messages, meetings, studying, teaching, whatever the day requires.
Yeah, work time is when I try to be very focused. But sometimes my brain is like, can we sleep again?
Oh my God, haha, same. But we continue. We work slowly, steadily, but with care. And sometimes we take breaks.
Breaks are important. During breaks, I walk around, stretch, drink water, maybe eat a snack.
I sometimes meditate for 2 or 3 minutes, or just breathe deeply. These tiny things make a big difference.
Lunchtime. I usually eat something simple but tasty. Sometimes rice, sometimes chicken, sometimes a sandwich.
I love fresh food. Vegetables, rice, curry, something warm. Food in the middle of the day feels comforting.
Absolutely. Lunch gives your brain energy. And we talk about how the morning went.
Yes, and sometimes laugh about silly things we did, like forgetting our keys or dropping something or sending the wrong message.
Okay, funny part of the day. Sometimes I do things like trying to unlock my door with the wrong key for 5 minutes.
Oh my God. Ho ho, I remember that. Sometimes I lose things that are literally in my hand.
Like your glasses?
Yes! They're on my head, and I'm like, where are my glasses? Oh.
Seriously. Humans are funny. We do small, silly things every day.
After lunch, the afternoon begins. This is the calm part of the day.
Yes, energy goes a little down, and we slow down.
We finish tasks, check progress, reply to messages.
And sometimes take a small afternoon nap. Just 10 minutes, but feels like magic.
Evenings are peaceful. I walk outside, breathe fresh air, look at the sky.
Evening is my thinking time. Um, I think about life, goals, mistakes, dreams, everything.
We talk about our feelings sometimes, like what made us happy today or what made us stressed.
Yeah, sharing honestly makes the day feel complete.
At night, I relax. I take a warm shower, read something, or watch a calm video.
I drink tea, sit quietly, and plan tomorrow. Night is like closing the book of the day.
Exactly. We thank God for the day, for health, for everything. Nasir, did you ever notice how mornings feel like a surprise attack? Like, boom, it's morning, wake up.
Absolutely. Every morning I open one eye like, is it really time? Like, seriously?
Same. And sometimes I even negotiate with my alarm. Please, 5 more minutes. Don't do this to me.
Oh, yeah. Then suddenly it's 40 minutes later and you're like, well, now I'm late. Again.
You know, Nasir, morning mood is very emotional. Sometimes I wake up happy, sometimes tired, sometimes confused, like, where am I? What day is it?
Same. And sometimes I wake up feeling super motivated, like, today I will conquer the world. Then after 20 minutes, I'm like, let's just survive.
Seriously, that's so real. So after opening your eyes, you check your phone, right?
Absolutely. First thing I do, grab my phone like it's oxygen. Notifications, messages, weather, random memes, everything.
Oh yeah, I do the same. I check the weather even though I don't go anywhere.
Same. And sometimes I just scroll mindlessly. Like, I don't even know what I'm looking for.
Yes, you scroll like, um, why am I seeing cat videos at 7 a.m.? So after phone, bathroom time.
Yes. Washing my face is like waking up again. Cold water, instant reality check.
Exactly. And brushing teeth, oh my God. Sometimes I stand there brushing for so long because I'm half asleep.
Yes, yes. I hold the toothbrush and look at the wall like I'm thinking about my purpose in life.
Multitasking in the morning. So, Mariam, breakfast? Breakfast is always a mood. If I'm happy, healthy breakfast. If I'm tired, biscuits and tea.
Oh, yeah. That's emergency breakfast. Available anytime.
Seriously. Sometimes I think breakfast decides my mood for the whole day.
Absolutely. Like, if the tea is good, good day. If the tea is bad, the whole world becomes annoying.
While getting ready, I like playing soft music. Makes everything calmer.
Oh, that's nice. I listen to motivational videos sometimes. You know, those people who say, you can do it, you are powerful. And I'm like, yes, I am. Let's go.
Ah, that's so real. Sometimes we need that extra push.
Um, Mariam, do you ever feel that after lunch, your soul leaves your body?
Haha, yes. Like, I'm full, but sleepy, but still working, but also thinking about taking a nap forever.
Exactly. And then you see your laptop, and your laptop sees you, and both are tired.
Oh, yeah. It's like teamwork and tiredness.
Afternoons are the time when my brain decides to think about everything except work.
Same. I think about food, weekend plans, random childhood memories, even random people I haven't seen in years.
Oh, yeah. Afternoon brain equals unlimited imagination mode.
But sometimes afternoons can be productive too. Like when I listen to music, I get energy.
Yes. Or when I drink afternoon tea. Oh, that tea hits differently.
Absolutely. Afternoon tea is emotional support.
Evenings feel peaceful, like the day is saying, hey, you made it.
Oh, yes. Evenings are healing. I love walking outside or watching the sky change colors.
Oh, yeah. Sunsets make you feel grateful.
Absolutely. And a little emotional, too.
Sometimes, in the evening, I talk to myself like, okay, tomorrow I will wake up early. But that's a lie.
Yes, yes. Every evening I plan to become a better version of myself, and every morning I forget. Night routine is my favorite time. It's when I slow down, relax, think about my day.
Mmm. Yeah, nights are emotional. Sometimes I replay the whole day like a movie.
Me too. I reflect on everything I said, everything I felt, everything I did.
Oh, yeah. And sometimes something embarrassing from 8 years ago pops into my head.
Yes, night brain is the king of overthinking. Writing in a journal helps me calm down. It's like talking to myself on paper.
Oh, that's nice. I don't journal, but I do talk to God at night. It makes my heart feel light.
Oh, yes, that's beautiful.
Do you fall asleep quickly or slowly?
Slowly. Very slowly. My brain talks too much at night.
Same. I lie in bed like, okay, brain, stop, stop, stop. And my brain is like, let's think about everything right now. Ugh.
Oh, yeah, same struggle. Whew. Finally, after thinking too much, I fall asleep slowly.
Yes, and the cycle repeats the next morning.
Life. Mm-hmm. Mariam, what were we talking about again?
I forgot. My brain took a break.
Mini Conversation 5. Evening Cravings.
This year, I feel like eating something sweet.
Oh, yeah, same. Evenings make me feel snacky. Mini Conversation 6. Reality check. Mariam, did you finish your tasks today?
Emotionally, yes. Practically, no.
So, overall, good day?
Yeah, not perfect, but good enough.
Absolutely. That's what matters.
Nasir, okay, everyone. That was our full day conversation.
Yes. We hope it helped you learn how to describe your day in slow, natural English.
If you enjoyed this video, seriously, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.
And share with your friends who are learning English. This is Mr. English Speaker.
And we will see you
Next
next
time.
time.